Esako too.
Okay, she to be Esako for Unjo place. Okay, with the list.
She decided to carry the thing. Come, I not the media person. I don't do the media. So she decided to carry the media. She wants to get food to the lap of my head.
Come out for where baby J. Make she take care of baby so that we can hear you well.
So she don't carry come giving for media. So me I will.
But baby they cry now. Take care of your baby, my sister. Why body they pepper you like this?
What respect you don't get? She go respect.
She not get. Una see her.
She go one. She go one respect. Now, when I come this Europe, I come to 2016. I will tell one thing. You hear me?
Yes.
So 2016 when I come, there's my close friend. If I come off work, before I come off work, my very close friend of mine. Before I travel, we will be friends for Africa. Before I travel, I'm very close. We don't know for no less than 15 years. Me and the guy. Now for the same village they be. Yeah, the guy. So when I come here, now Spain the guy. I go to Spain. I go meet her for Spain. So my ex-girlfriend is there for the month that I have she marry. You know, yes. So I don't get girlfriend. So I think my friend know everything. So my friend told me say, right now, hey, this hero don't come. So what he go do? He go like one of his sister, a very nice girl. Make her anyone who call so from me. I just be come. So may just let me more first say that first. So that's I don't want to take people. I think I would like go. Now the purpose call. He come me I come pay. I don't pass with that. I'm a graduate. I got from mechanical engineering. Tripoli. Before I left Nigeria. So the guy knows me very well. So I got pay flight tickets down to Germany. I can't take a salary for Germany. So I'm telling you, I'm just out. She need to hear everything. I take a salary for Germany. Then the guy called the guy called the feeding test because they see so fast and matter. I was okay. She's not so. Since you say the guy is a very nice guy, I don't want trouble. She's a very nice girl. I said no problem. So we can't give me a contact. We call the talk. I also make she contact me. Make she contact. Cannot get people. She need to come see me for Germany. She probably for the new detail level say come out. So I go say sister so no problem. Now me I don't think come France to me I dey Germany. So I dey work for Germany. I tell her I dey work. To see when I go at the work. I tell her I dey work. I don't think come. So she go tell me she don't say if I come for the new. She will come. She went 260, 217. Paper fee dey renew. I go say I dey renew paper for 2 years. So I dey come for renew. So,
you know what you go just do? Cut the matter short so that I can understand where. Sure, what did they happen today? What did happen today?
Okay, what did happen today? This man, she know they respect me. Once he go respect you. Before we know, I call my mom. I say, Mossy, my mom. I say, Mom, Mossy say, I say, they don't want woman when I go get woman meet for this thing. I want marry her. So. You know, let me talk.
Only for you. Oh, if you not allow him to talk, you dey disrespect her. Disrespect not be say you want beat.
She no get one respect. She know the. Maybe the mama go dey ask her. What about this woman wey dey tell me? I can put my mom online now. If I get woman when I don't pay money, she just dey laugh. They spoil my head.
Egbe ave paloma gbe result na.
I put my mom online. I call her. I go ask her. Say she come my phone. My Samsung than of the S9. She eat her for ground. The screen. It pushes her by the toilet. When I dey eat, she tell me because she want break my head. She want my say want me police call. I go call. I come to house there. Say my phone. Come up for that kind. Say my friends. Say my don't go out with my friends.
Egbe paloma gbe emma. She go lock you for outside.
I'm not telling you several times. I'll go. This I make her lie. Make her not be that for my life this night. She will lock me for outside. Not be one, not be two, not be three. My brother they come out. He will soon my papa not put doctor. No, my man move. You say, look, waiting for this is meant for not me. He said, me and my sister won't be. I said, before I know you, me, I don't get family. My brother is there. My brother is the person who made this hero. What if you call them in? My brother has who will escape at times. And before I come, we go come aside again. So I'm not saying people remember don't they courage. You don't see, you know why anybody, you know what they are. You know,
But my sister, allow me talk now. Why not they behave like this?
You don't tell me. You
don't even get respect.
Yeah. She says our last don't want to get married. Say they want pay for it. So they need to permission for they need to go marry her. Yes or no. That's what I say. So you don't know say you don't want marry. Say you know say you don't say now say I get family happy. Respect me. You know they regard. Let me put it for your head. Let me bought it for you. Because I never bought before. I never born. And she said before, she showed her life for me, say, the born 96. So, if they break, what go to that person? They say, we will be next mate. They will break me, she will greet me. She's now, me and she did. I will wake up the money, say, good money, if I eat, I mean, they cook for her. I will cook food, she serve her, and then I will wash the clothes. I will wash the children, wash her own. You know, you never abandon her one day. Before I meet her, she don't get great BP. I find in another for Satan. She come out and put the procession of my body. She book my mother go give doctor. They tell a security doctor, they tell her say, me, my family don't like her. Me, I take of children. She do me, they see they suffer, they take care for years. I never abandon my children one day. I never abandoned with her one day. They wash clothes for them. They take their papa. They assist where as the father supposed to be assist children. They assist the mama children. She never washed my boss on one day. I know they agree. She never wash of the washing machine one day. Now they wash her clothes. They wash the children. They wash her clothes too. Outside now, she never appreciate one thing. She never appreciate me one day. She know they cook for me. I think they cook food with them. So I'll go market. If I go market, go buy. Go see now. Go see. I'll go to market and I contribute for. They say that me. When I come, I think I do for you. All money put the paper. I do. Take the video.
Share the video.
I know they say one go Africa. Now March here. March. Now my trophy. March. Now they tell me rich. March. And they contribute for the house. She now see they contribute. If you get me, I'll go back to the market. I'll go back to school for us. But she could have, you really appreciate me when they say, I say. So, when I was this evening, I should come. You say, most matter should tell me this morning. Matter should tell me when I say, I don't get answer when I go after you for that matter. Don't need to make her rest. Because I go Paris today. When I come back, now she carry the disturb me. Where for the carry bill? Why he got my phone? So where? So when you own my shirt, you say, well, tell her they call police, the police don't go call.
Yeah.
She go call police, but I told my brother, if I pick call me, she tell my brother, after what they say, what did they do my brother? What did they do my brother? I don't like her. Because it's my younger brother. You go and tell her they calm me down, man just, because of a man just cannot cause, because of the children. I never beat her one day, I never touch her one day. She don't respect me. She don't respect my family. I was saying, Mom, they are with you. Why don't you take this to your mother? It's because I'm more late when you know, because I don't know I'm more. Because you don't know, she just think you're the cabinet. She don't get mother, she don't get father, she don't go and go tell me. Like. That because what go concern me? That because my mom didn't have to wear this day. Maybe if I could tell my mom, I say, I know the house, I know the house. So, what I could say, she did your man for me to run because you don't disturb me every time. Now give her phone. Let's go disturb before, because let's go the back. After 2 days, me go tell my mom, say, me talk to my mom could be talking to them back. That's what my woman where they use camera phone. That's what you connect. She know you might try to call my mom one day.
She know they call your mother.
You know they call her. That's what you any member of their family. No, sister, in brother, no one. She know the two you one day, no one she talk to press. I mean, they talk to those children, they call them. What if they do you? Like they see your blood. They talk to them. They say that because of me, they make me know this. Why people call madam and friend? My friend would never say, "Don't wait, this people look at me now." You say that because of me. You say because of me. That means you see something to them. If you say you can never do they say they make her wait all the women should come because she call Europe 2006 that she come Europe. You saw the money she call when they call you now all the women they waste all the money. After that you don't catch whatever you give me cash. After that you can catch over you cash. You don't actually know. If woman say call this country, this person will get so. Unless they can go their card. Now when I do call finish, I don't call their address. I say no, I don't make the torture. I don't let her go their account. I can swear this now, they let her go their account. Now, my money, the people don't create the top team. I don't finish. March here. I don't see how many more. People see 7 kids. I say they try to contribute. Now, they buy work. I go to after they buy work. Go on with the one doing now. To make sure nobody else will get the work. No, this money. I think no, they don't be brave. This money, they say, you know they behave like this. When you go, they worry you. When they tell me, they won't let me go kitchen, go cook. I go see. I say, may you stay, man, go cook kitchen, get better. I'll go. You see, must follow me. You see, follow me. But for years, if I watch them, if I eat finish, you will watch after go leave myself. I'm going to see that the next day. I thought to go this time. Now me go by myself. They watch the place. Now take it. He said, "It's a dictator." Are you mad?
My brother. You see this life, me, this girl, my sister.
Me, I want to talk. I beg.
I never okay down one day. If you say the lie, I can give my brother phone contact. May you see call you. May see here from her. If I go, she go transfer my for my head. Say, which I. So you see me go my. I swear to God who made me. I swear my Quran when I read. I say I'm a Muslim. If I'm marrying my people, if I'm marrying my people from Nigeria, he say last 6 years when I bought people from Nigeria, the woman they UK. When to send my woman for Spain? I don't know what. I don't go to. I don't get my for Spain. I don't go my for Nigeria when I start be married.
Okay.
Only she has been person I don't fall for. She don't get my say this time. Anyway, no problem. Because me not say no, you're my side of the story. Never miss say my just say cheat.
Thank you. As you respect me, your respect will never expire.
The life of my head, the life to gun.
Thank you so much.
Finish. Now, because they put it for my body.
It don't do me. I talk to her. Hello, my sister.
Hello, Mama. Beg no verse. Me at the top.
Hello, at the listing.
Hello, Mama.
At the listing.
Hello. Mama, I use God beg you. I beg everybody where they listen. Mona no say. At the top for background. Now see this me for body. I beg Mona no face. I beg Mona no face. People are not what they pass through. Everything when this man they talk, I swear to my father where is their grave. I swear to my mother where is their grave. I swear to Bible. When I say they pray day and night, I still swear to Quran where do they carry. If not true, God go after me and you. If not lie, I said, Mama, hello?
At the listing.
Hello?
Now, wow.
That one, when you say me, I look up outside, the house where we did. Now, you know fast as been people they call me. He go come up for us. Hello.
At the listing.
He go come up for us in the evening. After 3 in the morning. He go there, he never come back. He no go come and say, lock door, no lock door. Me, I go wait, I no go feel sleep. I go try bath children, give them food. Take children, make them sleep. If children don't see finish, I will begin to wait. If I don't wait, before maybe the time when sleep will come to enter my eye, then go come to come. If he just knock door once I no hear, he go come out. If he come call the next day, he go say I lock am for outside. That thing, it don't happen 3 times. 3 times, not that it don't happen 3 times. Since what we take since what we take on this one, 3 times that it don't happen. He go. The other day, he called 5 o'clock in the morning. I wait till 4 in the morning. I wait till 4 in the morning. Now that's as if I go wait, man no lock door. And me and I will be open door for ground because we get children. If he go enter my eye, he can't come. He lock door, I know, yeah. He go come on, go tell your brother, say I don't lock her for outside.
Okay, now.
The other day, wait, now that one wait, that.
I don't even know who I want to believe now. Two of them just swear. I don't know who I want to believe.
May I talk? I use God beg you. I use God beg you. May I talk? That time, the time, that time when I say, now throw money, now they eat, now they talk, now lie. That first time when he put up for ground, he not even reach too much. Now they stop and say, you need to go back to Jeremy. Now they can't say, they can't say, you need to go back to Jeremy. They say, I need to bring all my paper. Let them go give government. Let them know say, me and him stay together. So we get children together. I no need to go back. So now he can't say, now I can't bring all the paper where I need to bring. He can't go give the man where they have the process Aduro. They can't say to off Ofi. Ofi no say we there together. They not come carry a force and carry go Germany. They not write and back say you need to forcefully you need to go. They leave back. Because they not say we get together. Me I say yeah, he is there with us. They know where is they stay. They not call carry. They not call disturber. They not they pain. Ever since then, they know they pain. We know they hungry.
Okay, now.
When we go.
Okay, now.
Nobody, you know the person.
Nah.
Where they know they pay, you get children. You need to buy stuff for children. You need to buy them all on my money.
More than like my page.
Like
this page.
I'm not talking anything. All on my money, and my children. I don't care about the other
Hello.
All this why is the yet they talk so. He just they talk.
Hello, hold on.
What is the economy they talk? We say
Hello.
the mother before he said me I know they call him mother. Me before I they call him mother. So when I come born, my pikin is they cry every time. When I born, I born, he reach how many days? The mama no call me. Now later he call me, tell me say the mama say they call me. I come today I'm not seeing your mama call. I'm not seeing your mama. And the phone when they in my hand, credit not there. He not be that credit can't give me. I'm not be call him mother. I can't say you no come and tell her say I reach. Come say tell her say I born. He no call me. So after I come from hospital, I come special with us. After I come from hospital, I call house before his mother call me. Every time Pikin come because me I never said Bob before. I don't get mother when I want I say see Pikin he always they cry. I don't know what they do. Me I don't know say na next then they say Pikin. The mother no see tell me say na next then they say Pikin. So this his brother wife because of the time when she born, their mother they call her, they advise her say see what to do, all those kind of things. But that one they always they call try what is there my mother. But that one not be my problem, not concern me. That one when you just say me I'm not to respect anybody. After whether me or any of the person, we don't quarrel one day. Me and any of the person we never quarrel. Even when I see body that call Pikin, his mother not call me one day. He not call me. Even when I see body that call Pikin, she not see call me. I not see complain. I not talk. I not complain. I not see talk. I not see anybody not call me. Nobody call me. Nobody not say. I not talk. I not complain.
Okay, now.
I say money you not see give me.
Okay,
I
now.
not complain.
Now wait. The marriage where you say your husband go do now, how you say no?
Mama, he knows it's not true because all the chats and everything, the picture, the woman picture, everything I get there for my phone.
Not the picture.
So when I go,
You get the
I get there
proof.
for my phone.
You get the proof. Wait, take put money for your hair. You get the proof. You get the proof. The proof.
Wait, now he can't go delete everything come off for my phone. He can't go delete the picture and the chat and everything. He can't say I sleep finish. He go carry my phone. He delete them. But recently now, now that they do the marriage, he know. He just the lie, say na lie. He just the lie, he know. So now this morning, now they call me say, my yoga sister, she want to marriage. Make the guy since now me, make they ask me, make that get children. Whether me. My sister said, may I answer whether we they marry or we not they marry, or I is for two of us. Now the question called the answer is one. I thought since 2017, since 2018, now you put it for my aunt. We get 2 children together. With with the marry or we not the marry, how the matter they do? Because what is there? You say I get the leg. You say you engage me. You say before I bore you go put money for my hair. I bore you know talk the matter come. Piki waka you not talk the matter come.
Okay now.
We there you not talk the matter.
Okay
come.
now. Wait.
You not talk the matter
Wait. Shebi you tell me say he not the work. Where you want get the money to put money for your head?
That is me. I know disturbance. After me, I'm not disturbed ever since then. Now today, I call me. You don't get money to put money for me. They go put money for another woman head. Woman, why never go see for? I never see. I say put money for woman head.
That one are fake. Not just let that one disturb your relationship. If really, that one are fake.
Woman head, because you know what you call a fool? I come the hospital when I bought this coffee. The social come say me I no let her go put hand. Me I no let her go sign the birth certificate. The person me I no let her go sign the birth certificate.
Why they go tell you say may the father not sign? Why? They not get right.
I don't know. So I can't go me. I don't care what they talk. So when you come go here that they say birth certificate, the people call me for hospital. If they are aware, say they call me for hospital whether they can sign birth certificate. If they this, whether he go sign the birth certificate. I can say yes, he did there. He did there. That's the word that they call me. Now they read for there. They call my name. Now I can say yes, he did there. He called sign. As he called sign finish now. We can call out the birth certificate. This is where he carry come on. He want to go do insurance. Ever since then, he not going to tell me anything. You go, you carry a brother. You go back. You go do insurance. He come anything what they want to do. You know they tell me again. He go just everything. You know they tell me anything. They go just go carry the picky paper. He go you come out. He go carry a brother. They go they do what they do. You know they tell me any of that thing again. But me, I'm not secret. Anything my family, my brother. Now, there is he can go test to shower where the house where we go say he can go. He brother with his brother, baby mama.
Okay now.
Go test to shower for where they put out for after me.
Okay now.
I want question now.
Okay now. I want to ask you one question. Hello. I want to ask you one question.
I not talk to. Not the like of me. Hello. I'm not talk so. Not the change man for my mouth. Not the change talk for my mouth. Not the change talk for my mouth. He brother come here with a woman. He brother come here with a woman. They go meet Social. They go tell Social say me and say I want poison her. Now we quarrel that day. We quarrel, but I'm not talk something like that. We quarrel. So the Social first carry us. He come our room. Because they settle us. So the way he call the talk, now the Social call them and say, what is they talk? Your brother, your family. But all this woman, these children, family. Because me in family, me I don't know their story. I don't know as they start. I don't know any small thing go tell me say you don't know my story or my brother, my family, you don't know our story, you don't know how to say start. So you know our story. Of course I'm not some story before, sha. No that. Any small thing, now my brother, he said his brother will come our room. If I get the room, we get the woman for there, but you know the receive call for there. He go come here, he go sit down here, he go receive call. 1. You know go one come out now here they receive call. The kind of call when they receive me, I don't like him because I get more boy for here. The boy he go come start, he go call they repeat waiting they stop. And me I don't like him because maybe people no go stop that kind of thing for outside tomorrow. They'll come say we are for here all this kind of thing. That is the reason why I come say I beg you your brother if you want to receive all those call. If you not receive her for your room, may 5 years they receive the call, may no come they receive the call for here. And moreover, if it come, me I not sleep, children not sleep. 2 we go there here they receive they make call. 3 we go there here if they make call, we not sleep. So that kind of person, if I come tell am say, at least if you say he still come 12:30, one he go still comot, we go still feed me. I will still feed 10 children sleep. It's still good. They no go comot o. He go just there, he go just sit down here, they make the call, he go dey, you know be say the shop, he go dey shout, he go dey make the call, dey shout, dey loud. Me, I no fit comfort and say, bros, abeg, you need to go.
Okay,
this is
now.
brother.
It's okay.
They greet am. If I no greet am, I know they greet me. Now, if I come greet am, tire, now I stop, I no for the greet am again.
It's okay.
And me and this brother will not be made. We not be made, but I need the greet am. I greet am. As I thought to say, any day when I no greet this bros, you know they ask me. Now, of course, as I tire for the greeting, now I can't stop. Now, come make us, me, I no from the greet. Not to say we quarrel, we not quarrel. He go say, why we not the greet.
Now don't carry all my day today. You don't do. Me I settle una. Yeah, you don't do. If really,
They talk for the
No.
Because now everything where they talk now lie. Now lie. They say if they bring money, where they see money they bring. When we want to do circumcision for my boy, that's our insurance no they work. Since I thought we say go, come and me then my money. Now 350 arbitrary the one we pay for them and my money. Nobody they assist us. So you don't get even since when I say about these born children, you don't get anything when you afford. You not concern me because I can't say you know the work.
you don't do.
He got the talk this one say now so I know the respect and so I know the respect. And which respect again? I did my own. I did where the work. You say I know the paper better at the work. At the work. They tell me I get my account, I get my money. Government know they control my account because they know say I dey work. Yes, they know say I dey work. I get money. When I say money, you know say I get money for account. You know say I get reasonable money for account. Government no control my money one day because they know say me I dey work, I get my money. How many people fit keep that kind of money for account for Europe? But I keep them for account. Nobody go ask me. Nobody go control me. You tell me, say, man, I know the respect. I carry my bag, I close work. I close everything, I come meet you. When we see come back there again, now you go see the mistake when I don't make, when we did that time, we don't get any problem. The problem the mistake when I miss, when we come back here, the village where brother it cost me we go that village. I can't see follow and go. Now the problem when it's not there, the problem price come. When we even come the village says, when we new come, we don't get any problem. Because it's on forward because you need to go there with your brother morning to night and no need to talk.
Okay, it's okay like this. So that call don't. Okay, now what do you want to make I do for you? Can I settle two of una now?
Mama, I tell you the month I made you talk. That's why I talk the month I talk. I don't do. The month I don't get who I wanted the month. The month I don't take one, yeah.
May I tell you one thing?
Me, they answer question, no, they answer me.
May I tell you one thing?
If I talk, you go tell me, say, I don't need problem. Because there no be problem will be saying start this relationship. Why every time you don't need problem, If I talk, you go to shout.
You don't do.
I thought say anyhow you want to make the relationship be, you go tell me. For the sake of all those children, me I did this hero. You say you don't. I said this hero, but not go picking. You not going to say I go picking because I don't want to make this mistake. Now that is I not go picking ever since then. I said I need to marry before I go picking. If you say you don't give me ring, you not promise me. I for not even feel myself. When we meet, I tell you say me, I'm not going to give you honorable body. We not use honorable body to me because. I need to assure say the relationship they go somewhere.
You don't do. How many hours now? Check 30 minutes. It's okay. It's okay like this.
Mama, no vex.
I know the verse. It's okay. If really say he go marry for Nigeria, no problem. Yeah, may not let them disturb you. Now you day. Now Europe you day. Forget this one. Woman where man go pay a bride price without knowing the woman. Now that woman be mumu. So if really say not true. You don't do. Not the disrespect me. They try mona call your husband come. Tell her say me no vex. Everything may forget.
Mama, you don't pack his things for ground. You don't say where they wait for this day. You don't say where he pack his things for ground. As me and you they talk, so you they arrange his bag up and down.
Yeah.
You don't say when he arrange his things for ground, he arrange his bag for ground, arrange his shoe for ground. Don't pay when he arrange his things for ground. The way say the day when I go make whoever talk, he go carry his bag. You don't say when he arrange his things for ground. I say they talk so no. Now his bag is the arrange. If they arrange the remaining one, he won't carry his bag go make his brother talk.
Tomorrow, may you call me. Yeah? Call me tomorrow around 11. Call me around 11. No follow and talk. No make problem. Make government not collect the children. No just make problem. Just relax.
Now what did they find with that?
God no go green. Now you go take care of your children by yourself.
Then they go test social. Even if they carry go test social.
Eh?
If he and his brother woman, they carry go test social. Now what did they find with that? Because woman, when you don't know, you prefer me to carry my children so that you will suffer go meet that woman. You say my God will ever forgive
God
you.
not go green. God not go green. Now you go take care of.
God will ever forgive you because of woman when you don't know. I know me and your brother know you know the talk. I don't know my story. For you to satisfy your brother now for you to go do what your brother say make you do. Even if they carry children, you don't care. That God there. God, they watch us though. Everything what you talk, just now, if it isn't not true, I leave everything for God. If it isn't not be true, I leave everything for God. If it isn't not bad, now I do. If it isn't not bad, now I do. I'm not because you don't get money. I accept you as you be. If it isn't not bad, now I do. I leave everything for God.
I don't know what to say to her.
I don't judge you give him one day. I don't make friends. I don't make my friend. I don't make my friend. I don't do anything. If you say quiet here, I stand. If you say go here, I go. If you say that here we'll go today, I go follow you. If you say no go here, I go back to waiting you talk. Then yes, you see to say I no pop there. I did everything.
Don't you not cry. Tomorrow may you come, it's okay. My brother, where you want go this night? Where you want go? Eh?
If I go, brother side.
For what? For after 12? Where you want go? You want leave your two children come out?
Hello?
Hello, my brother. You want leave your two children come out? Where you they go? He said you want come out for house. He said you want come up for house. Say you dey arrange your things. Where you dey?
You know why I know if me and you I know if spend the night at this time.
No.
Because number one, when I dey this is not the first time. We never say anything, we never talk to anything matter at all. Say she will poison me. No. If it's not lie, may not protect my life.
Eh? Say go poison you.
I'm telling you, what happened that day I come out and knock. She don't go put door. She look me for outside. The next morning as I come inside, I don't talk to her. I got the bath, now sleep. You see my get up for this bed. I say get up for me. He said she go poison me. He never kill me for it. He never kill me. Me I don't go rest. If for your Chinese folk come my friend is alive. You come about my friend will not sleep. You come my friend Jeremy. You see my friend may tell me oh my I don't know why you poison me. But people call me say is it that so serious? If you take my life for man find with man come out to yes I said go the children I say they beg me say man she could beg me I beg man forgive her. So I don't think that category go fit my mind. I don't call my mom from village. I don't call anybody.
We settle everything. If the money go pay brother.
We never talk anything.
I don't even know how to settle this.
When I say they eat, she want break my head. But the place they eat, she can't break the place. If that smoke in the mail, which way you have to break my head? Smoke let it mail. Smoke she got my phone. She just pieces my transfer guy. That point is damaged.
Okay, now you know what I see to a relationship. Number one, una not understand una self. Number two, you people have to be very, very careful.
One character, she no get.
If you can find a place to go first, go relax there. Go. In fact, go first. Mona said, you go call your children tomorrow. After we don't get better mind to live together, you people together. Like this, problem no go finish. May you they go, pack your thing, go there. Go there after.
Yes.
Give her a phone, may not make problem with you. Yeah, give her a
Because I'm
chance.
scared of my life.
Give her a chance, give her a chance. Because when no agent a piece till or uga. Yeah, if I may understand it. Hello, my sister.
Hello.
Leave her may go in brother place. Leave her. If na your future husband, and he go come back. Leave her may go for a peace to reign. Okay? Allow him to go. Not follow and make problem. I don't want make police come this house this night. Allow him to go. Leave her. Yeah? Call me tomorrow morning.
Before you come out, I'll carry baby go hospital tomorrow.
My brother, give her the baby insurance. May you go. To happy, may una get peace. May you go. No be, come dey cry. What you want cry for? You don't get 2 children. So make una take. You don't do. You don't do. Not take anything. Not talk again. It's okay.
I don't use my strength for this remain for workout. I don't use my strength. I don't use my money. I don't use everything. I don't use everything.
No me.
God
If you use your money, you don't get children.
It's not my weakness.
You don't do. You don't do. You don't do. I don't want to make government enter this one.
Oh my bed. He just dey fight for follow everywhere. He go fight for here, go fight for here, go fight for here. If everything where I talk, he go be bad for here. He go dey shout, say that. I go say abeg. Stop it talk. We be not the quarrel now. We be not the quarrel. Stop it talk, I beg.
Don't do. Don't.
If I talk, if you, I know they know the time when I say talk bad again. I know they know the time when I say talk good again. If they just they fight fault everywhere. Fault ever since when I don't greet the brother, don't tire. I'm not gonna greet her again. This is brother. I seen you 2 times. I seen you this boy 2 times. I seen you this boy when they talk.
Okay, now I want to ask you one question. Wait. I want to ask you one question. Listen to me. I want to ask you one question. You still love her? You still love her, Mege?
Mama, I love her. If you say I don't love her, I cannot be beg her.
Okay, don't do now. Yeah, go beg her. Go beg her now. If you know so you love her, go beg her. Go make her follow you beg her.
Mama, I said they don't already conclude for this matter. There, I know.
Go beg her.
Mama,
Go meet her. May I join you beg
when
her.
we say quarrel, if I beg her now, we go settle now. Then when they make her come go meet his brother tomorrow, that matter go. If he come back, we go start the matter again. Let be the thing.
Okay, leave her. May go. Leave her. May go. Tomorrow may you call me around 11.
I go beg her now. We go settle. But what they make her say reach his brother place again? If what of those one don't whine now? The brother with the woman. Don't talk to him. If he come back, he go say, you know, say that matter of yesterday. Once more, he go start him again.
My brother, because of your children, yeah, your wife says she still love you. Forgive her.
Not because of the children. I dey try to make this ever since.
My brother, it's okay. May you not go. Yeah? May you not go. You are a man. Don't run away from your children. Our character go good. Our character go good. Oh yeah, go beg her. Go meet her. May I follow you, beg her? Go meet her. Go lead down. Cause you say you love her. So go meet her. May you lead her. Hello? My see and I they beg you now, brother. My brother, forgive her. Forgive her. He will not poison you.
Hello.
He don't do.
I said beg her. He said no.
Forgive her. My brother, forgive her. Yeah, I beg. Forgive her. Yeah? Forgive her. See, I'm not at least. At the end of the matter, now she can still beg you. Yeah? Because of your children. I beg. Yeah? I beg. I beg. See, now she don't dey cry. Forgive her. Give her. Men are not going to collect on her children. I beg. I beg. You see her? Malady. You see her?
I said, those people, they know your condition. It's nothing to now. Don't you, they think collect don't you the Quran.
The thing collector, they go say our enemy here not correct. I beg. Forgive and beg.
No, you know those conditions. Maybe they turn her down. I don't tell you what happened for her for village. I don't tell you what happened for her. I don't tell you that woman what happened.
I beg, say, the whole world, they beg you, my brother.
I don't date any woman. I don't focus for my family. But you don't go give me this of mine.
I beg.
Me actually no office. I don't know how they go this type, but me actually no office for the same.
But you still love her. You still love her,
My phone
again.
is condemned. I think they talk now. My camera phone is condemned. My address phone.
I take her there. Now she break her.
Huh?
Now she break your phone.
You said?
Now she break your phone.
Now she break it. Yes, now I don't think they watch. I don't think they watch. Watch for Facebook. That's the funny for those. We not quarrel. We not put the laugh back to 3 minutes ago, sir. Now for the to. Let's say they live the life. You don't go to the Jamaica, so no they hold again now. They don't break. Finish the phone by the shop now. Before they walk. Look at many things happening. Can't you put one knock up on my head? No.
Okay, now what go happen? Be say good. I cannot force you to stay with her. I said, don't force him. My sister, don't force him. Let him go. My brother, you can go. Yeah? If day after, you go, they come, they see your children. Leave her, not beg him again. Leave her, may go. Not beg him again. Yeah? And the beggar, he say enough fit. You still beg him, so it's okay like that. Don't beg him again. Okay? Not beg him. Tomorrow, you call me around 12. Call me around 12. If I don't pick, drop message on my WhatsApp. Don't do. Yeah? You dey cry? Oh. You know say you love her. Your father they do chi. Huh? Your children they cry, say their papa want go.
It's not very arranged back.
Call me on video call. Make I see you now. Call me on video call. Okay? Call me for WhatsApp. Call me on video call. Just take 1 hour. No, this matter, me, I don't wear. I can never settle it. The man might not do this relationship again. It's very clear. Oh, we have a very river.
3.
Outside the whole ADJ. Hello? Call me on video call. Go call me for WhatsApp. Make I see you now. Call me on video call. I say call me on video call. Still call me direct. I can't go away. Then the boy now you go. My way marriage. Hello.
I need that woman for 5 years. I need that.
Which woman?
Maybe for 5 years.
No grit, no respect. Because na work a day. Now woman matter come for you. Not be like that now. We not the do woman matter now. We they do fasting and prayer. Okay, I did for fasting and prayer for 10 days. The woman don't get somebody. You don't get somebody. You know they're available. Go just call person you need that woman. After they do cup, hello, God bless. Hello, God bless you.
Hello, Mama Costa.
I was like, to what the man want cook why?
Come on me, we're nice. Come on me.
We work I.
3.
Well, when you be respect it. Why when I go need to job, but why man not respect it? Why can't you need job? Why? Hello. He said, starting well, battery very low.
Okay, a matter of so the boy making night of it because I already the matter.
Oh, man, boy, marriage any exist your phone there. Or phone of me. Every ano soon we buy anytime say what. So I will share it to a ya cancel again, nane. So we go forget.
Oh, no, what is it? Only one more magic, or Johnny, one. Don't understand. Say boy na mate love the woman or one love but still the one or one boy nadia.
Share the video. Mama like my page.
You understand? Or one way ya. A woman never man or one man. Well, the other love who anything or you or more work out or yet out paka. Although I want 40, a can a woman can have want to wear a madano, a marriage in the Oriane. No way I can, no way I can just that boy because the boy your friend did get away. You only your team afraid they get away. Or more relationship in an area or tell anyone. I don't know the city again or tell any relationship in our working now. Or work or tell no more area. Emma, where what do I move over to area? Eh? Okay, only but a mobile and also a kilo here. You can get can I know who or what to any no way? I did I have to shout where we are putting here.
Oh, sorry, yeah, tell me the video call. I'll send a good video call. Yeah, pick a video call, okay? Call.
Okay.
No, someone up my right team. Well, I will go. No, mamma, show them more me. Mommy, show them more to me. Then I will be. If we rated this fasting and prayer. What man, Gina? Are they for fasting and prayer? Why respect ma? What want them or why me? Never in the game. We make it here. When you tell me the video call, you make a night when I ask one. Hello, God bless you.
Good evening.
Good evening, my brother. God bless you. Mother, share the video.
Yes, ma. My name is.
They will know
Yes, I'm doing it. I'm doing it, ma.
What be you? Na Facebook. Where my second phone? Hello, are they listening? My second phone. Why you got in Nigeria? Why you got in Nigeria? Why have I not been Dubai? Why have I not been Dubai? Why do I go